Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning or good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Firas, and today we will share about our solar system, its planets, fascinating space phenomena, and the challenge we face. Our amazing cosmic neighborhood full of wonders and mysteries. So, let's explore together and discover the secrets of our space. Before that, let me introduce you to our team here. My name is Muhammad Firas, and our teammate is Amshadani, Muhammad Hazim, Muhammad Fateh, and Azri Muzaffar. We are from SEKOLAH DATO ABDUL RAZAK, presenting for the WSDG challenge, or can we call World Sustainable Development Goal Challenge.
Continue for me, I'm Shadani, and let me introduce you to you guys about what is solar system. Our solar system comprises 8 planets, more than natural planetary satellites, moons, and countless asteroids, meteorites, and comets. We will go through about our solar system issues. We would like to highlight 2 issues that affect our space. First is climate and space radiation. Space is dangerous because there is no air to protect us from strong radiation. This makes traveling to Mars risky for astronauts, as radiation can hurt their health. To keep them safe, we need better protection and more research.
Before we go further, let me introduce you to my name. My name is Azim Muzaffar, and I'm gonna introduce you to our second issue, that is space pollution. Space junks or orbital debris refers to thousands of old satellites, rocket parts, and fragments that keep orbiting Earth. These objects are dangerous because they can collide with active satellites or even spacecraft. For example, in 2021, the International Space Station had to change its path to avoid crashing into space debris. As more satellites are launched, the problem grows, and scientists are finding ways to reduce or remove space junks to keep space safe.
Now, I am going to present about things in the outer space and issues about space phenomena. There are 3 main things in the outer space. First, meteors, which are space rocks that burn in Earth's atmosphere, creating bright streaks of light called shooting stars. Second, planets, which are big, round that moves around a star like our sun. Third, the sun, a huge burning ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, that gives light, heat, and gravity, making it the center of our solar system.
Let me introduce you guys about issues with planets. Among the controversial issues with planets, including Pluto, since 2006, Pluto has not been classified as a proper planet, but instead a dwarf planet. This demotion is because Pluto doesn't clear its orbit like other planets, meaning it doesn't dominate its orbital zone, either by pulling objects into itself or holding them as moons. However, some scientists still argue that this reasoning shouldn't reclassify Pluto as a planet.
My name is Firas, and did you know planet divided into 2 parts? Talking about planets, it's important to know the distinction between them. Each planet differs, and the planet in our solar system can be divided into 2 groups: inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are recognized based on how close they are to the Sun and they are rock-like crust. Planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars all classify as inner planets. Outer planets, on the other hand, are the opposite of inner planets. They're often further away from the Sun and as a result, develop a gaseous of ice-like exterior. Outer planets include Jupiter, Saturn for their gaseous exterior, as well as Uranus and Neptune for their frosty climate.
Now for me, Muhammad Fateh is going to explain about space phenomena. While meteors, planets, and the sun can be seen, there are also unique phenomena that are visible in space. Among them are comets, which are icy objects with glowing tails when nearing the sun. They differ from meteors due to them being mostly made of ice instead of rock. Besides that, black holes are also occur in space. These death stars are a region in space which gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Thus, among these phenomena are nebulas, clouds of gas and dust where stars are born.
Issues about space phenomena. Space weather is caused by the sun's solar wind and magnetic fields. It can affect satellites, astronauts, and even airplane communications. Predicting and protecting against space weather is still a big challenge for scientists.
Before we end our presentation for today, let me, Muhammad Razim, take over the conclusion and the closing of our presentation for today. In conclusion, the solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago. It's our cosmic home, the sun at its center, giving us light, heat and gravity. Around it move 8 unique planets, along with moons, asteroids and comets, each with its own wonder. Learning about our solar system not only helps us understand our place in space, but also spark curiosity, inspire courage to explore the universe beyond, and remind us to take care of it. Now we are at the end for our presentation. Thank you for listening. We would like to share a verse from the Quran, Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter 21, verse 33. وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون. Translation: Is he who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, is floating in an orbit. Thank you.